Hello everybody, it's Justin from Oakley Home Access, your full-service home modification company focusing on aging in place, increasing accessibility, and fall prevention. This week we're going to talk about my arch rival in home safety. It's the sliding glass doors that we often see on standard tub surround situations in the bathrooms. There's a lot of reasons why these are a danger to folks. We're going to focus on three main reasons today. The first reason I really don't like the glass doors is because they simply take up half of the access into the tub or shower. You're having to move it from one direction to another to make space to access the area. When there's a caregiver involved in the tub situation, you really don't have access to the individual, so it makes it very difficult. The second reason why I do not really care for the sliding glass doors are they give you a false sense of security. Now, I think this is the most important reason why I advocate against the sliding glass doors in showers and tubs. They literally have a handle on them, whether it be a little grab bar or a small handle, and an individual grabs onto this for stability, naturally. And it's dynamic, meaning it moves, it's not stable, and oftentimes they go for a ride, I say, and sometimes it's a ride straight to the emergency room, and it can be very dangerous. It's not giving them the stability they need. Of course, a grab bar is the alternative for something to stabilize and hold on to while you're entering and exiting the tub. And then the final reason that I really don't care for the glass doors is glass by nature breaks. So any bumping into it, any falling into them, they can certainly shatter and break and become very hazardous that way. Now, everyone always asks, so my glass doors, you want to remove them. Okay, so what's the alternative? Everyone always thinks of the shower liners that are plastic that emit the chemicals. Well, those days are gone. Nowadays, we have 100% polyester liners, which means the water is going to just wick off of them. They're water resistant, and every couple months or so, when there's soap buildup at the bottom, you can just put it in the washer and the dryer, and you can reuse it. You don't have to throw it away like the old plastic ones. So that's an alternative. We always mount oftentimes a curved mounted rod. Gives you a little more elbow room. It's like the ones they have in the hotels. And we'll mount it in there so there's some stability. And then the stainless steel rings, and then the curtain liner does a great deal to keep the water in. And then it's not going to give you that temptation to grab onto and go for a ride. And then it's also supplemented with the grab bars in the right location, of course. It's just going to give you a lot more access into the shower. When we remove the shower doors, it's the moment when we bring the customer in. It's for accessibility. It's really great service that we offer to remove those shower doors and the framework as well around the showers. So that's the tip for today. Join us again next week. Again, I'm Justin from Oakley Home Access, your full-service home modification company, focusing on aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility. Grab bars, stair lifts, ramps, anything you can imagine to keep folks safe at home. Call us anytime, 401-743-5895 for a free home safety assessment. The website, oakleyhomeaccess.com, a lot more information there. All right, thanks. Have a good day.